Time for another video from Arizona Hot Homestead. Thanks for tuning in, Jeff, Arizona Hot Homestead. Today's video, we're going to cover some Ryobi tools that I picked up. I've had some for a while, others I just recently got, so let's take a look at some Ryobi stuff I got. Alright, take a look at this thing here. Let's see here. Look at this. A 12 volt DC plug. A couple USBs. Actually, I got what? These bottom two, they say fast charging, and that one there just says something charging. What does it say? 18 watts for the fast charging and 5 volts, 2.4 amps on the other one. So you guys can see that. A little USB-C right there. There's a light over here. See, you got the light there. Discharged with a 12 or 18 volt Ryobi battery. There's the packaging here. Gives you an idea what you can power. It's kind of obvious, 12 volt stuff. There's a little bit of the outlets I just showed you. These are kind of just, a lot of you folks like to know about how long it takes to charge stuff. Well, there you go. You can actually hook up the 9 amp Ryobi battery to it. There's some other information there. What's up here? Here, some of you like to know model numbers. There you go. Can you read that there? It is RYI 12VBG. A little card to kind of remind you what it can charge, what it can't do. Obviously not a hair dryer, coffee maker, because those are more than 12 volts. Even though it's 18 volt, it's an 18 volt battery power source, but it's only 12 volt output. Obviously some more bathroom literature. But I do like this thing. I haven't used this guy yet, but I have used these guys quite a bit to keep my phone charged, and then yeah, this is just handy dandy to have nearby. They've got other ones similar to this, but I like this one the most. So let's see. There's some of that information down in there that you guys like to see. That's all I got. That's all I wanted to show you. Look at that. Even comes with a little handle too. Isn't that kind of cool? Alright. That's it. Ryobi. You know, I have enough of your tools, and I love your products. You guys should like send me stuff instead of me buying it. So there you go. Another video about some Ryobi tools that I use here on the homestead. So hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share button and all that good stuff. And see you. Bye. Have fun.